Fix in 5. P0242. P0242 means the turbocharger boost pressure sensor is sending an abnorma. If your scanner through this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, CEL, illuminated, verify with OBD-II scanner, reduced engine power or limp mode activation, verify with test drive under load, rough idle or stalling, verify with live data from scanner at 600 to 800 revolutions per minute, poor fuel economy, verify with fuel trim data, LTFT, black smoke from exhaust, verify with visual inspection during acceleration. Now the most likely causes. Faulty boost pressure sensor, signal voltage above 4.5 V at idle or below 500 MV under boost. Damaged sensor wiring or connector corrosion, typically affects signal pin or ground continuity. Short circuit in boost sensor B circuit, pulls voltage toward 5 V supply rail. Vacuum hose leak or disconnection, in most cases. Causes erratic sensor readings. How to fix it. Replace defective boost pressure sensor with OEM or equivalent part. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness. Clean or replace sensor connector. Ensure proper seating. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly Euro 35.95 doing it yourself, or Euro 115.175 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0242? Driving with P0242 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0242. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.